Any suggestions?
Well, I'm kind of keen on that bass.
So the idea is simple. Once you tighten everything down, this is how you want your A-arms to swing. Both on the inner pin and on the outer pin. More important, however, there should not be any play on the arm with the pin.
Hello?
Oh, hey.
Sir, hello. What is this series about? I'm still confused. You're jumping around everywhere, so could you level set for us, please?
Do you see your screen in front of you?
Why, yes, I do.
Take a look.
Take a look.
Take a look. Now listen, I've made no bones about it that this entire series is about the viewer. It's about you guys out there with these engines, or who might be considering these engines, or just in general, who want to see, what one of the least expensive engines in the market can actually do with X amount of money. By that, I've limited myself to $50 in maintenance of this engine. And I performed the analysis, and I know the parts I need and everything, and it's actually totals under $30. So the way I'm going to do this is there's essentially three areas. I'm going to run the engine and show you, here it is as is. Then we will, as an example, change the bearings. Then we'll run it again. Let you see the impact that changing the bearings make. Then I might replace the back seal, like the O-ring on the back plate. Run it again. Let you see that impact. And then it might be adjusting the shims, adding shims, removing, replacing. The intent here is I want you to see, because maybe you just want to replace the bearings. That's it. You don't need new shims, right? So it's kind of, we're going to step through this.
In other words, this is more akin to our boy here putting it down with an inexpensive, rookie engine. This versus how shit like that faker muggy who moves raw shit, but really has yet to experience the things he is a cheerleader for.
Alright guys, and so the engine that I'm referencing here is the Hobeo MaxStar 0.28 engine. At the moment, they are on sale, and this is October 18th. They are on sale for $95. The price has gone up at this moment, $35. What that means, and I want people to make their money and shit, but I'm looking out for you guys. More importantly, the price is going to go up. Now I tell you this because I'd rather relate to you sooner than later that absolutely I recommend this engine. So if you're in the market for an engine, definitely consider this. Now, one item to accentuate is the video coverage is probably maybe 3-4 weeks behind. So you're going to see a lot of ups and downs, challenges, things like that. But as noted, that's the intent of this, so that you can see exactly the shit that goes down when we're doing something like this. So if you run into problems, you don't stress over it, you see that there's light at the end of the tunnel, because I promise we get it figured out. Like we do. So to quickly pick up where we left off, I elected to do a refresh on this engine and spend no more than $30 on it. I evaluated and selected the parts that need attention, and so in this video you're going to kind of see me go through that. I promise to show you guys how the sausage is made. I promise to show you
The belly, the beast.
Consequently, well, here you go. Lights, camera, action on. So these are the components that I am currently concerned with. First and foremost being the bearings, drive shaft. These are going to be the things that will be reconditioned in the crankcase. Once you get the bearings, I'll be able to inspect the crankcase. I'll go over exactly the big things that I look for each component. So going through the crankcase, I'm actually taken aback at what good condition it's in, considering a few things. First, that it's got so many gallons on it. Second, that it's been maintained by a newbie nitro nerd. Remember, this was one of my first engines, and I did everything to it. And so yeah, here we go. We're gonna fix it up though. Bam, bam, bam.
You already know.
Yeah, that's right. I cleaned out the crankcase, got it spotless. I use a product, by the way, that you can only get online. Use here in Texas. I'll drop what it is at some point. Initials are CO, in case anybody's kind of wondering. But anyways, yeah. So we got it like that. The bearing inserts were the number one thing I was always concerned about, but I used a tool to get the bearings out. And the thing that really got me was the front bearing. The main bearing was basically seized. I mean, it was done. The front bearing was like new. Go figure. Quick tip for any of you guys out there: don't leave unshielded bearings out in the elements. This is something that I'll of course cover in my How to Get Down with Bearings series, but for now, just trust me on this one. If you got any main, engine rear bearings, whatever you want to call them, don't leave them sitting out, because a few hours and they're done. And for any of you guys rolling through, I'm not one of these like Muggy, but I speak for things that I've proven out over and over again during the years. But yeah, anyways, the front bearing was like new, and I don't know, maybe I did change it, just can't remember, but fuck it. Crankcase is done. Biatch. Here's something a little important. I reconditioned the head button. Understand, I did not touch the threads. It's important to remember, I did not touch the threads in one bit. Next concerning part was the crankshaft. Basically, you'll see here that the shaft had some small scratches on it, and that's usually from dirt. So we'll take care of that, but I went ahead and I buffed it out. I got it, everything's polished, good to go. It's smooth as silk. In addition to being perfectly balanced, which I'll show you in an upcoming video, how I test if it's balanced or not, and how I end up balancing it. And these are not things that I was taught per se, but instead just I learned through trial and error. Years and years of maintenance on engines. And then we have the cooling head. This is easy, right? This is just, for a set. 7 and the other is Hyper 7.5. Never noticed it. That for years. And once I was satisfied with everything, put it all together, and we keep it moving. So this part, I think we're good. I think we're gold, ready to rock it. Let's start it up. Definitely don't tell me you forget how we roll.
That's how we roll right here.
I'm down for kicking ass. That got niggas. Talk to the horn. Won't run up. Now whoever niggas ain't with it, better get with it.
Texas All-Star Edition, you feel me? That funk, that murder word. know how we do it.
So if you're unfamiliar with starter boxes, what you saw there is me essentially doing tricks. I can start any engine under any condition at any time. It's something I promise you.
I've got skills with it.
You might have noticed the way that I phrased something. That's right. That's right. For the most part. Meaning, not everything. Damn. So I had not started a pull start engine in a while, and of course,
Busting strings like the third pool.
so I did what I had to do, and I got that bitch started, and I ordered some new pull starts. But let me tell you, this is where the problems began. So, for you sucker chunks following the bouncing ball, stay tuned because I got some shit coming.